trusting in your true nature. Your true nature. This is actually the core of what we would like for you to know. For your true nature is free. Your true nature flows. Your true nature expresses itself wholly and completely and within the highest frequencies and the highest tones, and in so doing, the nature of the highest frequencies and the highest tones can be assured that it will be reflected back to you. In the many forms and fashions and the many potentialities that appear as your reality, all will be coded in the frequencies and the tones and the highest that you are expressing as your source nature is your truth. The nature of humanity that you are currently participating in, that in large part encompasses your mentality, the ideas, the programming that exists within your mind. You could say is the crust that has overlaid your true nature. And because you are a powerful being, a powerful creator with a creative process that is constantly in motion, because you have a mind, because you have emotion that you express, because you have thought patterns that are a result of dominant ideas or belief systems that are established within your mind, that are known throughout your body, that have been impressed upon every particle that equals a cell, every particle that equals a molecule, that equals an atom, that equals a cell, that equals an organ, that equals a tissue that equals an organ, that equals a system. Your ideas, your programming is impressed on the particles because the particles live. The particles know who and what they are and what they are meant to express. They have information, they have mind. They are extensions of source, just as you are extensions of source. And as the creator that is housing this body temple for a brief period of time, you are the impressor of the ideas, whether you are conscious or unconscious of the fact. You have impressed ideas upon all that is you now, physically. And in order to regain and reposition yourself wholly and completely to the full free expression of your source nature, you must overcome your programming. You can go about the transforming of your current programming and aligning it with the nature and mind of source. That's one thing you can do. You can also give your full attention to the highest frequencies and the highest tones. And in so doing, all that is born of lower frequencies and tones, that is you, the dominant ideas, the belief system, the programmings, they will be flushed out over time because they exist in a certain level of frequency and tone. And as you consistently express higher frequencies and higher tones, that position is a home to different ideas, different belief systems, different thought processes than those that have been your normal, rooted in lower frequencies and lower tones. So in your consistently expressing of higher frequencies and tones, you will begin to establish new belief systems, because you will be allowing in new information that you'll be capable of accepting and allowing and integrating into your being, because of the frequencies and the tones that you are now consistently expressing that are becoming you. And every particle, every frequency that you are, every particle that you are physically, will begin to accept and acknowledge and reflect the information and the ideas that you are now entertaining as a result of the new frequencies and tones that you are expressing. Now, the strongest of you, the most responsible of you, will do both. You will address your frequencies and your tones, and you will address the ideas within your mind simultaneously. If you do that, you speed up the process, because you are engaging your power on multiple levels. You are impacting also the creative process within on multiple levels. Frequencies and tones lie at the foundation of the creative process. If you're addressing your frequencies and the tones that you express, no matter what material you place into the creative process, they will be reflected in the nature of the frequencies and the tones you are expressing. Now, as you are transitioning, transforming your state of being, frequencies and tones, dominant ideas, the language that you use, your thought patterns, if you can become aware of your thoughts and begin to shift them at will, begin to be aware of your verbalization of ideas and begin to shift it at will. Do not speak and communicate on that which you do not want. Do not regurgitate ideas, happenings, events that are born of that are born of low frequencies and low tones. Only express that which is born of the higher frequencies and the higher tones. Begin to only entertain and communicate ideas, desires, intentions born of the higher frequencies and the higher tones. Any of these, all of these simultaneously, and you will be impacting your state of being in the highest fashion, in the most powerful manner. You will be impacting the material that flows into the creative process in the highest, most powerful fashion. You can take one and begin the process. It is magnificently impactful and influential. As you grow, you can take all of these pieces and utilize all of these pieces, narrowing your awareness and your focus toward that which you desire, and utilize all of these pieces to affect the transforming of your state of being, to affect the transforming of your mind and your use of emotion, and overall the frequencies and the tones that you express, because you are aligning yourself with your truth, your source nature, and the freedom that it is, the power that it is, the creator that it is. For the simple fact that you want to be an expresser of your truth, because it is who you are. We are thankful and grateful for the opportunity to share. We are thankful for the vessel. We are thankful for each of you who are offering fertile ground for these transmissions. We are here for you from our now non-physical perspective, offering that which we know to be true, that is the most empowering and the most impactful for you now as you walk third dimensionally, that you might accelerate your ability to express the highest of potential, the highest of possibility for you and be a model to all that you come in contact with. We are here for you. We are thankful. We celebrate you, and we love you. We love you. We love you. Thank you.